Hi, today I'm just going to go through the Smart Home Energy stuff. I'll do a little bit of an unboxing of the gateway, and I've got some home adapters as well. Now, I already have one of these set up at my house, so I can't do an additional setup, but what I'll do is I'll run through the process of setting this up and you can see how easy it actually is. So what I'll do is I'll zoom the camera in, put it over my shoulder, so you'll be able to see the phone and the product unboxing, and then I'll do a step-by-step process for this. Alright. So first of all, we're going to unbox the gateway. This part, so I'll just get rid of the bits we don't need. So we've got the instructions. We've got a QR code, tells you what's in the box, so we should have the gateway itself, and then in here we can pull apart. I'm going to fall out that side. So we've then got network cable, and this is part of the charge lead, the plug socket there, so there we go. So we've got the plug. So the USB into there, and then obviously that side into the gateway, and then what you'll do is you will plug that directly from the gateway into your router, and once you've done that you then need to download the MiHome app, which is available on the App Store or Google Play. So we've got the MiHome app. Now, I've obviously got a couple of bits already set up. What you can do is you can add a device, or obviously when you're doing this, first of all you'd add a gateway. What it will then do is it will ask you to scan the QR code that's on the underneath. So you just scan the QR code, that will send all the information, and then that pretty much links everything together. Obviously there is some instructions which will tell you about the flashing lights, etc. It's pretty much the same as connecting anything Bluetooth or Wi-Fi together. And then what you'll have is, for example, we've got some plugs here. This is a 3-pack. All plugged in together. So this is one of the adapters where you can control the adapter, and it will send information backwards and forwards. There is an additional adapter, the next one up from this one, which is the purple one, which will also monitor the electricity used. I think I already have that one. So if I go to my devices, I don't want to manage a group, so I can have a look at my kettle. And that's just retrieve the information. So from there I can see my average use, whether I've got timers on it. I've got geofencing located to it. I can rename the product itself. So this is all controlled via one of these plugs, but on mine I can see the overall cost, whereas this one doesn't. However, just to set these things up, it's as simple as you would plug that into the wall socket, you would hold the button for 20 seconds until that starts flashing, and then you would go through a simple process of so add new device. What type of device would you like to add? I want to add an adapter. Where does the device belong? I've named mine as home because obviously I have a home setup. I may add an additional work setup when I'm doing some more of these. So these are the type of adapters that it's asking me, and obviously this is the blue one, so I can turn that on and off. So we're going with the blue. So plug the adapter in and hold the button until you see the red light start flashing. We're not going to do that. Once the red light flashes, you click the OK, and then it'll ask, has it stopped flashing? If it stops flashing, it's essentially connected itself to there. If it's not, you can redo it. And that's pretty much how it does it for most items. There are obviously the items such as the wall sockets. They do need to be fitted by an electrician. Light switch sockets, again, fitted by an electrician. And then we've got valves for the radiators. There are also relays, sensors, etc. So you've got an open sensor, a motion sensor. I've got a motion sensor at home, so it belongs to my home. I can add a device, again, click, and there's a button within inside the sensor. You just hold the button down until it starts flashing, and then it will connect the sensor together. And we'll go back. So my stairs sensor is listed there, and it's that simple. When you use these items here, they literally just plug into a wall socket and work like that.